Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix there is an issue with your iPhone's ability to use Face ID on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to use your Face ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically to fix this error, quickly wipe the camera area at the top of your phone. So guys, you have to simply wipe the camera of your phone and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is remove any thick phone cases and update your software. So guys, if you are using the thick case of your iPhone, you have to simply remove the case and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open settings and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version from here. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings again and then you have to go to the transfer erase iPhone settings and then tap on erase all content and settings, and then you have to simply erase your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.